Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to introduce wireless retry mechanism in Raspberry PicoW for connecting to network. In the previous video, we have seen how to connect to wireless network from Raspberry Pi PicoW, then monitor a particular port which is running in the remote server. Here we are monitoring port number 80 of server 0.55. For example, here it is down now. If I run this script, it is getting connected and it is saying web server is down. If I start the service, you can see status is changing, and here even we are controlling the LED. So we have LED control.py, and based on the server availability, we are even controlling one onboard LED and one of the GPIO pin 15. We have connected another LED. We are controlling these two LEDs. But this script will work only if this is getting connected in the first attempt and if this is getting a valid IP address. You can see the condition here. We have a while condition, and if WLAN is getting connected, we are running this script. If it is not getting connected, this script will fail. So we will introduce a retry mechanism here. First, we will comment the previous while condition, and we will add a new condition here. While true, this is going to be an infinite loop. You can even put a retry here. In this particular script, it will retry until this is getting connected to the Wi-Fi. Here we are checking whether WLAN is getting connected. So it will try to connect to Wi-Fi from this particular logic, and if it is getting connected and this condition is specific to my network, here one of my access point is acting as DHCP if firewall is not booting up properly. But here in this condition, I'm making sure Raspberry Pi PicoW is getting IP address from firewall. Here you see this particular script execution. Here we are getting the IF config. Here we are printing the IF config, and the 0th element is device IP. I'm making sure device is getting IP 0.101. I have binded this particular IP in the firewall. Then second is subnet mask, and third is DHCP server. So here you can see the second element. That means 0, 1, 2. The second element is DHCP. You might not have to write this condition, but this I have written for my network. And here, after this if condition, we will do a print. Connected successfully. Then we need to do the connection test. If this condition is met, we will do the connection test. We will put a while loop WLAN dot is connected. The reason for this loop is this should keep on retrying this connection. We are using U time. We'll wait for 1 second, and then we will put this particular function. This I have explained in the previous video. And if this condition is not satisfied, we'll put a else here, print IP is different or Wi-Fi is not connected. Later we'll add the retry here. We'll save this and try running this script. Now this is trying to connect to the wireless and it got connected successfully and it is monitoring the server. I'll stop this, and here if I change this to another IP, so this will come into this particular else condition, and this is in infinite loop. So what we can do here, we will do time dot sleep, then maybe 3 seconds delay, then we will even try to disconnect the network. If it is not getting IP from the right DHCP, I'm going to disconnect from the network. Here I'm writing a very simple condition. Even we can write condition specific to wireless is getting disconnected and IP is different, or wireless is not getting connected and IP is different. But here I'm writing only one else condition. From here, if it is getting different IP, this will disconnect the LAN, and then we need to introduce a retry. I already have the code available. We'll put that code here. So what this is doing, if wireless LAN is not connected, you can see the condition here, if not WLAN is connected. From here we will be disconnecting that. So then we need to put that condition here, reconnect, and we are giving retry count. We're giving 10 times. This will try to connect to the network, and this retry will be incrementing in each execution. You can see here, so this will retrying the connection. For example, here if I try giving different SSID, I'll stop this. I'll try running. So it is trying to connect to the SSID PicoW123. And you can see here WLAN connection status is false. So it is not getting connected to the wireless network and it is retry. After 10 retry, again we'll check this, and this will be running in a infinite loop. Now if I'm giving the right SSID and different IP, we'll try running. So this time it got connected, but IP is different. You can see here in the first retry it is coming here, then again it is going here and checking whether IP is matching. Now we'll see when we give the right IP how this is getting connected. I'll stop the script and I'll give 101 here, save the script and run it. So now this is getting connected and is continuously monitoring the server. If I turn off the service, so now this is monitoring the server, and this is even able to reconnect to the wireless network if it is not available. Now we'll see the scenario where wireless access point is getting off during this while loop when the device is monitoring the server. I'll go to access point. I'll enable it and save it. We'll monitor the server. We'll monitor the Pico device here. It's not connected. So here you can see IP is different or Wi-Fi is not connected. So it is now retrying. Now I'll make the wireless available and we'll monitor the server. Okay, now this got connected successfully and monitoring the server. You can see here PicoW is available in the network. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand how to introduce wireless connection retry mechanism in Raspberry Pi PicoW. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.